In this project, we will learn how to display a pattern on an 8x8 LED dot matrix. Here we initialize the HT16K33 dot matrix module and give it the name MyMatrix. The matrix module uses I2C communication to connect with the controller. The I2C address is set to 112. For communication, the SDA pin is connected to A4 and the SCL pin is connected to A5. After initialization, the program moves to the display section. Here we use the dot matrix display block to show a pattern on the LED matrix. Each small box in the grid represents one LED. If the box is selected, that LED will turn on. If the box is empty, that LED will remain off. By selecting different boxes in the grid, we can create shapes, symbols, letters, or animations on the matrix display. When the program runs, the matrix reads the pattern from letter A1 and displays it on the LED dot matrix. Dot matrix displays are commonly used in digital boards, animations, and electronic sign displays.